Well, parents know that teenage drivers can take more risk, and that means higher insurance costs. But Consumer Reports has some tips to help families pick the right car and cut those insurance bills at the same time, possibly saving thousands each and every year. For now, Jordan Hickson is just getting a feel for the road with his mom by his side.
Ideally, the car for him would be bubble wrapped, but in the real world, I would just want something that's safe.
The type of car matters because teens have crash rates nearly 4 times those of drivers 20 and older, and car crashes are the leading cause of death for ages 15 to 24. Choosing the right vehicle is critical.
You're going to want to choose a car that isn't too small and also that isn't too fast. Not only is it going to be cheaper to insure, but it's also going to give that teen driver a better sense of their speed.
Consumer Reports and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety identified more than 50 used cars under $20,000 that have performance and features designed to keep your young drivers out of a crash, but that also have high levels of crash protection if the worst does occur. On the list, popular picks like Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, and Hyundai Tucson. But finding the right car is only half the challenge. Insuring your teen can be pricey. Premiums can reach much higher than for experienced drivers. One common question, should you put your teen on a separate plan?
In general, no. Putting your kid in a separate plan will cost more money. So shop around. As we found, and as we find over and over, loyalty doesn't pay. Insurance companies want to attract you with lower rates.
Consumer Reports found the median savings for policyholders who switched insurers recently was $461 on their annual premium. For coverage, it may be tempting to cut back on collision or comprehensive to save money, but CR says,
never skimp on liability insurance, even if it does save you money on your premium.
The right car and coverage can go a long way toward protecting teen drivers. All right, so depending on the value of your home and other assets, consider asking about an umbrella policy. So it's extra coverage that goes well beyond your auto and home insurance for added peace of mind.